Hello, kiddos. We ended Lesson 7, Part 1 by me instructing you to go watch Bill Nye the Science Guy. I did post the link under your Science Google Classroom. So now let's pick up where we left off. So, a tale of two chairs. You have chair 1, and it's stacked full of heavy books. And then chair 2 is empty. Now, how could we go about using the words mass, amount of force applied, momentum, acceleration, and deacceleration to describe what is going to happen when we push these chairs? I would like for you to go to Google Classroom and answer this question. Which of the following vehicles will have the fastest acceleration? Now remember that acceleration is the change of speed, the amount of how quickly that a vehicle is able to change its speed. So think about that. Think about, if you're struggling, think about like being at a stoplight and you may have a pickup truck and a semi or like an 18-wheeler sitting beside you. Which vehicle would be able to accelerate the fastest? And it would be the pickup truck. So even though the school bus here is lighter weight, it's not trying to move as much as quickly. So the 1,000-pound school bus would be able to accelerate quicker. Now, I know that motors and things like that come to play a lot in this, but just for the purpose of this, imagine they were all the same. The two things that all four of these school buses would be the same motor, that type of thing, so that you could get a better visual of what would be taking place. Then our next one, which of the following vehicles will have the fastest acceleration? Bus, bicycle, car, or train? Now, these are all very different, and we can't just assume that the motors are all the same, because like a bicycle doesn't have a motor. But which of these would be able to take off to accelerate the fastest? Well, we've seen trains take off and slow down in movies and videos, and some of us in person. And so we know that's not a possibility. And we know that's not a possibility for a bus. They don't accelerate quickly and they don't slow down quickly. So we're down to a bicycle or a car. Think about being in town and you may have a bicycle beside you and the car sitting there and the light turns green. Who is going to be able to move the fastest? Who's going to be able to take off, have a change of speed the quickest? Would you think that a bicycle could reach its top speed the quickest, faster than a car could reach the same speed under normal conditions? We're not talking about, a car and it flooring it and trying to race, things like that. We're talking about just under normal conditions. A bicycle will be able to accelerate the fastest. It has less mass to try to move, so it is going to be able to have that change of speed the quickest. And this is the end of Lesson 7.